So hey there, folks. This is Stone FX, and we're gonna do a weekly forecast and analysis for the next week. So let's just straight jump into video. Then we can talk later what we want to say, and I'll just inform you in the group. I've also have mentioned the link in the description if you guys want to join my group and see some more analysis and talk to me personally. So um, we have, first of all, we have DXY. What I'm expecting is if we can if we can kind of you know fall down to my first POI. If it can do that, then we might have a clear kind of a buy to the upside until this previous high. If it can do that, then it will be much more good. But anyways, it's live markets, and we are about to open tomorrow pretty soon. So let's see. I'm pretty late, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We can work out with this. All right. So that will be much it for the DXY. I'm just expecting it to price reach, or maybe if it wants to do, then it can also possibly go up and take this liquidity, which is lying above these kind of equal highs, then fall down again. So that's pretty much I'm expecting from DXY. Let's move on to the next pairs. Let's go with Euro USD, Euro dollar. So what we are expecting for Euro dollar, it will be actually the opposite to DXY. And if you can see, we are kind of holding this 4 HPOIs, and then I have marked out this 1 HPOI. We also have this liquidity pool, which is laying over here. Also, this I have marked this BOS because we have made this corrector change. This can be equal highs. This can be also equal highs, but we can also expect this BOS because if on the opening bell of market on midnight, if market does this, then this will be counted as an actual BOS. Then we can also do something like this. The market. That's what I'm expecting from Euro USD. So it will be a much better response from it, and it's completely opposite to DXY because we are expecting a drop in DXY. Then we should expect a buy in along in Euro dollar. So that's pretty much it, and hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that's pretty much it, because we are mostly expecting the opposite of DXY. Let's move on to pound USD, pound dollar. Pretty much the same scenario and different view and different angle of market. So also pretty much same respective to euro dollar, opposite to DXY. We are also expecting first a down move, then a buy move. So that's it, because we have done this break from here. I forgot to mark it, but we have done this break over here. It's respective. We also now we have done over here also. So what we can expect next, market to take liquidity, induce. This is actually a 500 POI. There is an unmitigated 5M order block over here. So that's all for GU also. And yeah, I have refined this order blocks because I know that GU tends to move in a lot. It goes deep into the zones and move to the opposite side. So yeah, that's GU for you. And let's just go move on to Aussie dollar. this will be also kind of the same kind of scenario. On the higher time frames, we are bearish, but right now we are expecting some pullbacks. So yeah, we can pretty much expect it. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm expecting pretty much the same scenario, but on this thing, it has kind of respected this low. We don't have a new lower low. So what market did over here is actually it gave us this. It gave us just a moment. Okay, it gave us this a buy leg without any down move. Just one single buy leg, consolidation, up move, consolidation, up move, consolidation, up move. Then after that, we got this one big sell leg. Then after that, it kind of trying to turn around its structure. So what we have here, we used to get a new leg for to the downside, but it didn't give us. So what I'm expecting over here, maybe something like this to induce this previous high moving upside to this POI, then again continuation, or invalidating this POI, then continuation to the highs. So that's what I'm expecting from Aussie dollar. That's what I'm expecting from Aussie dollar. So that's it for it. Let's move on to the next pair, which should be dollar yen. Okay, so on the Forex time frame, we don't have pretty much any structure at the moment, but I do have an idea how it can move in the future, because we have this pretty strong buying leg, then invalidated the previous structure and reacted from this kind of a imbalance, fill in this imbalance and move to the highs, breaking this top, then again invalidating one lower time frame structure. So now what we can expect, I can expect this kind of a structure because we are currently extended to the buy side. So I'm expecting a a pullback that will be much more reasonable. That's what I'm expecting at the moment. So if we get a pullback, then this would be our entry that I wanted. So we need to wait for it a little longer. So that's what I'm expecting from dollar yen. That's all for it. Let's move on to the next pair. By the way, sorry about my English. It's not pretty much good, but it's okay. We can work out from it. And that was it for the Forex pairs. I won't trade other pairs because I'm not interested in them because they are not pretty much that volatile. We have exotic pairs, but you know about the spreads that are pretty much high. So I will be only trading these Forex pairs. And let's move on to gold. What we have in gold, this is not the one. Okay, forex.com. Yeah, here we have it. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we have this structure, which is kind of pretty much a bearish scenario, because first we have this leg. First we have this leg, which invalidated previous structure. We broke below this previous structure. Then after that, we have this kind of consolidation, and we again broke below previous structure right over here. Then market tapped in above 50% of the previous range. So what's next? Next is Wait a minute. All right. So here we are. What's next? Next is I'm expecting market to move down. I'm expecting a down move to the lows, because in this scenario the lows are not strong. We have strong highs, we don't have strong lows at this moment. But these two lows are not as strong. Why? Because we haven't induced anything over here. We only have induced this little low, which is kind of a strong. These are bank levels, but not pretty much stronger, because if we move to daily time frame, let me just change the chart so we can see some clear moves. Do this chart have it? No, it's not it. Okay, IDC. Yeah, okay, over here. This is the analysis which I'm looking forward to. So you can see on daily, we have broken the previous structure. We have broken this previous structure, which was this leg, broke this previous structure. Then now we are kind of just consolidating, and consolidating, trapping in more buyers, buyers. Now what we are expecting, I'm expecting this down move. Why? Because we are trapping buyers at this level, but the actual level is laying over here, which has not been mitigated. So that's the actual level you should be looking for if you want to jump in buys. This is what I'm looking at. After that, we can see this kind of reaction from this level if it wants to buy, because and we have high inflation rate, so we possibly can do that. That's what I'm looking forward to. This is all for gold. Even on the weekly time frame, if you go over there, you have this. Even on the weekly time frame. Oh, sorry about that. It's actually messy. We'll just stick to the daily time frame, and I'm a gold lover, so I'll be trading gold pretty much more than any forex pair. So this will be it for it, and this is the starting of a new channel. I know I'm lacking some um, uh, video quality and some so on, but it's okay. We want quality. We want quality in our trading. We don't want quality in our video and stuff. We only want quality in our trading. So if that's okay, so this is it, and we'll be working together for the future. So that's all I want to say. And for the forex, I have groups. I have my Discord channel. I have my WhatsApp group. I'll be mentioning those links in the descriptions. If you guys are willing to join trading with me, then you can join those groups, and we can trade together as fellow traders. So that's all here. I'll meet you on the next video. I'll be posting more educational stuff, and I'll be posting more educational stuff and more videos about forex and trading and about psychology, how we can compete with it. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys on trading. See you guys in the group. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.